Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can remove Fortnite hardware ban. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, make sure that the Epic Games launcher is not running on your PC. To ensure that, go to this arrow icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on it and check if the Epic Games icon is being displayed inside it. If it is, right-click on it and select Exit. Once done, open the Steam app and make sure you are signed into your account. After signing in, you will be on the home page of your account. Now click on the Library tab located at the top of the screen and all of your available installed games will be displayed here. Now go to the Add a Game section at the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on Add a non-Steam game and a dialog box will appear. Simply locate the Epic Games launcher inside it, and if you can't see it, simply select the Browse feature and you can just select the launcher. Once you have selected it, click on the Add the selected program. After that, left-click on Epic Games tile and click on Play. Now the Epic Games app will be launched, and if you go to the Library tab, you will be able to play Fortnite without facing any problem. So that's basically how you can remove Fortnite hardware ban. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.